So this is TJ's vlog, and this is TJ getting ready.
Hi.
To go overseas.
Yeah. That's me. But for reals though, yes. Sweet. As pineapples. Cause cool whip. So we're waiting for Mark to arrive so we can do an episode to the series Why We Ride. So be on the lookout for that too, because that's gonna be on the channel soon. Why We Ride, just
They might beat your vlog.
asking people why they ride.
Nearly 18 months.
Yeah.
Where have you been hiding yourself?
I've been hiding myself in a little Balearic island of Mallorca, which most people know either for Magaluf partying, or they know for all the pro teams go over there and do their cycling. So, and it's a massive cycling island.
A few Bond movies as well have been filmed in Mallorca as well.
I think so, yeah. I think.
Aren't you just there in the white one? In the territory. Yeah. Alright, get over
Alright. See you later, Mark.
it.
Thanks for coming down. Or coming up, really. Thanks. So that was Mark. Glad to have you back in Melbourne. Thanks for coming up over the river for this interview. Really appreciate it. I'll see you on the next ride, I reckon. So I'm not sure if it's been made super clear yet, but I am doing sort of more of a daily thing so I can get into the habit of doing it while I'm in Denmark. At the minute, I'm stretching because I'm a little bit injured at the minute. Injured my calf muscle, so it sort of hurts when you contract, right? Contract like this, sort of hurts in between here. So I'm contracting like that, and it sort of hurts just in between here. Just there, sort of hurts. So I've been given some treatment, and that is rest. Number one. It sounds stupid, sounds simple, but it's a lot easier said than done. As well as it's called too much rhidiosis. Been off the bike since Sunday. I'm counting them down already. Yeah, it sucks. It's tough. Times are tough, and some light stretching is helping. I've been told that sort of a pain can happen because the hip flexors and also the hamstrings get really tight sometimes, and it puts pressure on the calf. So yeah.
Woof Bella. 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 Woof woof. Woof woof.
So I plan on going for a pedal tomorrow, and I plan on going on my TT rig. If you can see it, yes you can. I'm planning on for the TT rig because I do have a time trial on Sunday at the Yarra Boulevard. So I want to make sure that the wheel doesn't completely fail on me again. So I'm gonna make sure that the wheel is good to go. These are the new tires. I think they're just like some Veloflex tires, some good ones. Got these tires. I've got to put them on my bike, and because my sort of wheel completely buckled, it's kind of I'm not sure if you can see that, but yeah, there you go, right there.
Oh, I'm not gay.
Ready to go tomorrow.
If anything, I'm metrosexual. What's the... I'll do it.
Sheldon, wait.
Credit to him for helping me with the wheel, because the wheel was kind of it was a little bit spotty, because TT bikes are hard to get right, and we have an issue with wheels in our family.
And who used to race TT? Who used to race TT?